okay, then you will pay us. When your business account will be okay, then you will pay us on Pioneer, right?
Okay,
You're telling that?
okay, okay, I'm okay.
Okay.
You record
Okay.
this.
Ismail
You
just
do
create a new
record.
business account.
Okay,
Then
I
Ramesh,
can create
then
just Facebook Business Manager account
yes.
and then give you permanently admin access. Then you will transfer. Now you transfer $50 Payoneer to Payoneer. And now I sent my Payoneer Gmail. Just you
Okay,
send.
okay.
Okay.
Uh,
Okay. First
Thank
create
you.
business
So
account.
you can
okay.
start creating. When it's create and we see it works very good, I pay you on Pioneer $50.
Okay. Good. Understand.
Okay.
Okay.
Thanks for good understanding.
But you can do it by tomorrow, or how much? How time? How can take
Just
much
need
time?
a half hour, half hours. Not need
Okay,
much hours.
okay,
Just
Just
need
okay.
hours.
and now I can start now from now.
And
Yeah.
and
Okay. Yeah.
you
Okay.
is
Then next
Okay.
time,
Okay. That
next.
I'm telling you. Today
you
I'm creating. Just tomorrow I will give you access. Okay.
Oh,
okay?
okay.
Just
Sam, listen to me.
one question, please.
Okay.
One
Yes.
question.
Yes. Yes. Please.
Creating a business account, it depends. You need a personal Facebook to create a business account, right? Is it
Yes.
right?
Yes. Yes.
The
It
personal
depends.
account, the personal account you use it. It's
Yes. Yes.
a Tunisian account or a Bangladesh account or what? Or
No.
it's okay.
It does not depend on any location or any country.
Okay.
It
Okay.
depend on old Facebook account. Old Facebook account. We have a lot of Facebook old account. We create a many business account for our clients.
Okay.
So if you are
Okay.
client,
I'm
we can
waiting
provide
for
you a
you.
new business account.
Thank you. Thank you very much. I'm waiting for you. When you create it,
Okay, Sam.
Okay. Okay.
and I will
Next
pay you.
time, if you want this business account run ad, next time I will talk with
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
so
of
budget.
course. When the business Facebook is okay, we can start Facebook ads.
Oh, okay, okay, okay.
Okay, thank you
Okay.
very much. Bye bye.
They are okay. Okay. Dear last
Okay,
one.
bye bye.